Ubuhansu bw'umuguzi.
Mwanchomo ligaleria na mange togende takoba tuko kwaliganeria senchira yobo ikirano kurwa semesa yaito yamaya kulindikira chiragire chinsa ikome ni gotoko koletera se enchira yobwenge kegi mahonyare kobago ko yarotota abo igo kwemanya ngagenda takoba gwatekorwa ketego ikira chinga kibune chege satse ni Kendize TV ni ndana gosemeria nanoga takoba kwego kyane merobali a hatoga takoba tuko kwaliganeria hime ya ege taseni eke kurubaga ketego ikira chinga ki echi buna enchire moyo kwenekia ngayo monyina kwanyira kwa kwego kia kwemanya nabo igo gwesemya naki agenda takoba gawate kana mange to kwaliga takoba tena mara bari kibeta mangana maya ngorana ndase kagitalige tambe nyara kwa ingo komanya nganyara kwa gawate. Ulerebo tambe na boko ya bwata kwetera semi tanda ya Facebook Ndize TV News, digital kwetera YouTube Ndize TV News, website ya www.ndizetv.net nsemo ya kabere yoga nitokoba kweneke chibi cha manero chago chera senchira yobo ikiri gakoro kwa Kevin Mugambi haliana ngoro kwa Josephat missing Saranste ikiro kia Evelina Seri ni nyara kobingo kumanya senchira yobo ngeke gima toko ya chaka nikobono omokonyi bumorai bwense nikobono omokonyi bumurai bwense rigadiga shagwa nyare koba gwesokia na goteba buna okogendra gukwana ekene kwaye na kokogendra takoba go komoletera eme chando niganyare koba kwereki habuna taligo chikobaga kwire na magega sogo siolia abo konekia ngonyare kobaga komolekera ekikere ekene kiamangana ilikonekia habuna manifesto ya serikali ya Kenya Kwanza nyare kobage goikiranirwa ukona litiko lero magayo ikirana sumo yega bwo masabo nyara koba kolekana ase kanisa ya Kenya Methodist yigotoka ase county ya Meru ni goga shagwa tabire nachikobaga kogendra monemeremo yaye yenyare kobaga kwegwa mono morai bwense gatia boko ene kiabu no nyare kobaga kurwania esegi yoko ni naboigo ubunyegwa bwa marua atanche irigo sira abalemi aboigo kwene kiabu na emerobelio yabo tambe yenyare koba gego ikiranirwa senchira yobo ikirano niganyare koba ko bole bakenya bonsi banyare koba bakumunyura ase amasabo chinka kibono aya achire magega yegati ya ababwata nabigo abarai ababonge ba serikali ya Kenya Kwanza bagenda takoba gusangira chisei ico kira chikoba chikweneke abona banyara koba kobeka mutwe omoswada bwo komorusia abisi omokonyi kumrai bwen serikali gasha
hasa ya kuongea ukweli. Mimi zile shida zote unaona nikipitia ni kwa sababu mimi ni mtu ya kusema ukweli. And I did not know that many people have a problem with the truth. So nakuta watu wengi sana wako na shida na mambo ya ukweli. Sasa mimi niliumbwa namna hiyo. Mungu amenifunza na kuniongoza kuwa nikisema ukweli. Na kwa hivyo katika harakati za uongozi, saa nyingine tukisimama na ukweli, wengine hawapendi, lakini tutaendelea tu kusimama na ukweli kwa sababu hiyo ndio ile Mungu anataka. Hapa katika Meru tumejaribu sana mambo ya kupigana na pombe na madawa za kulevya because of our children, and there has been great success. Of late nimeona hii pombe imeanza kurudi. I want to ask our security officers to make sure that the gains we have made in the fight against illicit brews and drugs does not go to waste, because it was a big effort. Na watoto wetu hasa vijana walikuwa wamepotelea kwa pombe. Kuna kazi mingi sana tumefanya hapa Meru na kwingineko ya kahawa, majani chai na maziwa. And I really want to thank the people of Meru for being very hardworking. The Meru Dairy Cooperative Society is the best run society in Kenya. Na inatoa maziwa mingi sana na kusaidia wakulima. Wanalipa wakulima before the 5th of every month.
Kabatero tokene tokabato ko batria senchira yobo ikera nunere omora iwe kiama kiawe pakalonzo mosio kanigo hanyare kobaga koje mochia serikali asebi korwa byoko babua tanako babisa igati ya abarai habo bagene tokoba kurwanira obwene bwa amwanya bantu okwana se kanisa ya mohime yensemo ya Kitengele county ya Machakos nigo kalonzo biganyare ko bakoye moche serikali sikiri atabiri ngateranya ko bigo ikirania hegati yechira chiamagendro chio bono serikali yo yanyete ko bikurira abakenya irai goro yoko rusibwa osomo swada boko rusubwa bisikwa ya mukonyi bomura ibwensa rigadiga shawa kalonzo nigo abolirie abarai hose ababunge korwa asekia makia wipa banyara ko bakwerusana nya kegima amono muswada oyo ase atabire nigo orengete okwemurungania nabo igo amaberera siasa yagenda takobaga korrekana egati yabarai vekyama KUDA
imepata ujasiri pia adjudicate on the future of our nation with dedication. We appeared when Jimmy Wanjigi was taken to court, and in fact in the case of Bob Njagi tulikuwa naeka Mukunji police station tukimwangalia mambo, nalikuwa na wakili mwenzangu Eugene Wamalo, and we went there to make sure that Jimmy was not molested and that he was produced in court promptly. It was when he was leaving Kamukunji that he was abducted out of a matatu at Mlolongo. No wonder the guilty are afraid. Bishop, ya nini kuleta police Land Rovers leo Kitengela na Mlolongo? It's a shameful act. This is not the nation that the founders of this country, the forefathers, envisaged. And therefore, they are running away from diversionary. We are looking at this as a diversionary aspect, a government that obviously has failed, and the blame game continuing. Mheshimiwa Mamai, nakushukuru, wewe ni Azimio. I want to suggest mambo ya Kenya kwanza kule kwa bunge, let them wanyoroshane huko. Because they are going to tell us a lot. We want them to tell us a lot more, so that the country can be free. Lakini msio watu patiwa shilingi 100,000 unaweka
Togoska motwe nigo omonchorelia Jimmy Wanjigi hesokiria sentundende nako gendera ko yamoche serikali asekiria tebire nigo egendera kobage komocherelia naboigo komo goserelia obogima bwa ya sobango igani gatebire habanto batamanyikaneti iwanyara ko babako bwatia igari yaye naboigo komo tanga echinga kibono ariko baga kugenda semerobire yaye ya kerari tukwa sobo tukobogo kera rero nigo bantu boigo batamanyire banyara toka bagwikira na seke gitakiaye sensemo area ya Nairobi mutaiga aboigo goitera amanyinga hasege itakiaye ngana boigo atabire era mone ya mate yaye bagenda takoba bago ichanera nigo aburire serikali yanene abo bisabaria ba kwenekya buna amangana ya okolingo liwa bwanyale ko bagwikirani wa banyara ko bagweso ketenene na kumubolia amamuchalie nere ko bagago kora hasatebire na litayale wesokya abo igo kwerera amakunga gena takoba gwetera.
They blocked a car that had just dropped me somewhere just on this road of Muthaiga. And you know what they did? They blocked the car. 2 Subarus blocked that car and they threw eggs at the windscreen. Today, or last night, they've come here, the same vehicles, and they have poured blood at my gate. This is every single day they are doing this. We are trying to be as evasive as possible, but what I want to tell you is that we are not intimidated, either me or my family. Others have faced worse things. We are going to now a church service to commemorate a Thanksgiving for Bob Njagi and the 2 Longton twins who were inside.
Togoska motwe nigo abamenyi korase county ya Wajir banyare ko babagwesokia na komochia egati ya abanto abagenda tokobago sagana chinsana na kona cha emeteko chitumia buna chingo korengana na barabu kogendera kona chwa kwa emete iyo nigo kwanyare ko bago koirera omorakera omotindo yogenda tokoba kwene kiwase chinsemo echo cha North Eastern na seboigo banyarako bakomokia abamenyi bekambi yabatami asensemeyo asebatabire nka abange babamenyi abo nabwo gosabatami abo nabagenda takoba bagosagana chinsemo echo nonye nabo niga serikali ya county ya Wajir yarako bagekoiria irangane chikoba gekobairira egetambukiro egetindi bande bonzi baranyarako bagotokamo namamocho jokongendera koba bagosagana nako butora chinsana imeye county eyo ya Wajir.
What is the government? What is the government doing? What is the Minister of Environment? What is the KWS? Why are they looking at these problems and we are facing?
We appeal to the government to do something about this. We appeal to the relevant ministries and the ministers to try and intervene. You can see the level of destruction in our counties. You know, our wildlife is being decimated. Poaching is fueled by desperate conditions in the refugee camps. It's not just a crisis of humanity, it's also a crisis of conservation.
There's been absolutely no support coming from the UNHCR and other organizations taking care of the refugees, some of them buying the fuel wood that's been obtained from Wajir South through massive deforestation by the refugees, and we are not going to accept any longer. We are taking matters into our own hands now. Our communities have been sensitized enough. The massive poaching that's also going on.
Tokoskamo tweni gobono omowaziri wa obomowe chinse chi Afrika ya mocha Beatrice Askul nyarekobaga ko bolia abamenyi hanene kurwa sorongorolya ruwa North Rift hanene kurwa se county ya West Pokot wanyarakoba bako batana monabo bisabu bulendi bunenchire ya moyo ko keania obwibi bwetugo okwana sensemeyo ya West Pokot magayo kora etaro ya bere yogosio yagati yemerobelio yamagendro bati abo ogosio okuigorwa kwa umurobelio bwa macho cia saba menyi bensemeyo nigo Askul hanyarekoba gago tebanga okogendra koibwa kwenibo yokogendra takoba gokoirania magega hemerobelio yamagendro gochiase abamenyi be county eyo ya West Pokot abo bagendrete koba bakoligeria nabo igokweneke ngabo karebwa bwo butambe bonyarekoba bokoba asobotugi wenibo.
Kwa sababu wakati mnafahamiana kwa mipaka hapa, mnaharibu maendeleo yenu. Kwa sababu mtu mwingine mwenye hajafika hapa ambaye haelewi, akiambiwa aenda Nasolot anaona kama ameambiwa aenda kufa huko. Ndio sababu maendeleo hampati. Na nashukuru Mungu kwa sababu hii wizara sasa nimepewa. Mimi nitapambana na nyinyi watu wa kuuana hapa kwa hizi mipaka. Na sisemi mchezo. Mimi naitwa Askul, hiyo jina iko hii kwa hii corridor. Iko hapa hakuna simu haisikia. Hiyo jina Askul ndio hii bado iko hapa.
Katika pande hii ya West Pokot peke yake katika muhula huu wa serikali tunashukuru kwamba tulipata milioni zaidi ya 800 kuanzia rehabilitation ya Takwel, irrigation ya Weiwei ambayo leo tumepokea equipment worth 200 million, ule mradi wa jana wa Lumut ya 80 million, rehabilitation ya Takwel infrastructure 45 million na kazi mingine mengi.
Ofisi yake waziri akifanya kazi hivi, wale wenzangu tayari niko naongea na niko naongea na ule Nikor, tumeanza kuongea kama viongozi. Mimi nauliza pia waheshimiwa MCS waanze kuongea. Sasa waziri akiwa pale kama ni waziri wa Kenya, tukishirikiana pamoja na yeye, mambo ya ukosefu wa amani itakuwa ni kitu ambayo sasa ni historia kwa enge hii na maendeleo tutapiga pamoja.
Serikali ya Kenya nere ase chimbero na bwigone gene tukobage kubika emerobeli ao irekone kinganya kubage gosira abasayo kwana hari tukolya lero magiga yogo sio bene omorobelio bwa Young Leadership Initiative ime county ya Nairobi nigo omo waziri wechi gosori nabigo abasaiki bichumba Murkomen nyerekobaga kwenekia buna ngwetera asumorobeli bwo kubasira basai oranyerekoba kwenekia buna abanke babara ibanyerekoba gwesoke kurwa seke golike basai abanyerekoba bakora anene chinsemo aimeyense ya Kenya na boyo chi sector chia serikali gati yabo boigo serikali neganza kwa boigo tielia na kwenekia buna basai banyerekoba abonchereria egiata bagenda tukoba kwenekia wanyara kwa bakwegenderia sobogima bwabo bwa kiralito.
That we had planned to come in before. by a teen mom and a father you've never met.
The good thing about this program is that it's all-rounded. It's not just leadership in terms of political leadership or the only answering the governance question. This program also answers economic question, and I am so pleased today that I have been able to go through the stands to see the alumni of this program who are coming up with innovative business ideas, who have improved on their creativity, who have established also thriving businesses.
We love to partner with them to provide them these leadership opportunities, whether it's these exchanges that go to the United States or the Regional Leadership Center where we've trained more than 1,800 people. We now have more than 6,000 Kenyan alumni that we've created an alumni association, hoping that they can use that association as a platform to continue the kind of transformational things they're doing, whether it's on climate change or community building, health, education.
Ayongati yali mange togenda tokabatu kubateria kurwa semesa yeto yamayumo nchumoligira nigoto ya chutia sinchira yubu ngeke kigima ensa ayamone chisesa to cherera obotuko ntonyare kobato kusanga munaye asinchira yobo ikirano ensa yamoyoka tigarete ikarachikora gachinsa 12 chebono mogorobo mwanchumoligira ligatase kendeze TV niko kenyare kobage kwaligania omorobelio nengwana yabene hiturachikobato gokwanera higoro ya omosuada oyo rachikoba gukwikiwa se bunge ya seneta oyo orachikoba gukwanera higoro ya monchorio harachikoba gakwenekiwa asoboteneri bwechikanisa no moswada oyo gendreta koba gokoleta amaberera amatindi anse oboteneri bwechikanisa na bange babarayi banyere koba gweso kene kura chikanisa na gotebanga nigo batachikoba bagwitabirana amono moswada oyo nakeko gerato rachikoba tukoyebeka tenene Toyerigererio moswado ya senchera yobwagareke gema narayo arayi hare ase omoswada oyo chingatara chikoba tokomera na negati ya ababwatani nabarayibe chikanisa imeyorogongo roito rwagusi chisa 12 chibona mogoro batanyara ko batagusanga amona yesemo ya kabere runyara ko bakoneka chibi chamurire cyago kira senchera yobo ikaniga koro kwa bigali nyanchamire negoro kwa Josephat Messi nakoganeye uburigerio bya bwemuro bya ko bwatya imyandize TV